That is a problem that happens on the Pro Exhaust. If you are thinking about getting one, that is something to consider. Second gear Pro Exhaust. Jesus! Oh, blimey!
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be talking about my Pro Exhaust and how good it is.
Now you're probably wondering, is this car remapped? No, it is completely stock. There is nothing on this car that has been done that is aftermarket. It is fully stock. This car is not modified one bit. It's completely stock. If you want to hear it, here you go. How good is that? It's so loud. Oh my God. Unreal. Just buy one, just do it. But it does come with a cost and it is quite expensive. £1,200 you can buy them for. That's a lot of money. It does sound unreal. That is with the valve shut. Can you hear it? No, not really. So if I open the valve straight away, go into sport mode, again, you notice the difference. That's fourth gear. Third. Now, I've got a friend that had the resonator delete on his car. There was times when I thought, oh, is it just as loud with the resonator delete? It probably was just as loud in some cases, but then when it came into sport mode, I think mine was completely different. It was almost like an animal as compared to his. But I do recommend sport mode massively when you're driving. It's so loud, so loud. Listen to that. It's just coming down from the revs and it makes such a difference. That's the valve shut. You can hear a couple of pops and bangs there, but it's got the metal raspy noise. The side that's popping is the one with the valve shut. Now I think it pops through the metal and it makes it rattle. Here we go. Second gear Pro Exhaust. Jesus! Oh, blimey! Amazing. Unreal. Absolutely unreal. The car all over is a 10 out of 10. Now I hope today's video about the Pro Exhaust has really helped. I am ever so sorry about the shaky camera. My mount isn't working as well as I thought it would. But I am so sorry about that. But I just wanted you to get a feel for the car and how loud the car is all in all. Now I hope today's video has really helped. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you do want to see more content, then write it in the description and I will get back to you, because I love seeing your feedback about the car. So thank you very much guys, and I'll see you in the next video.